Hi, so it's Mrs. Kennedy, and I decided to take some hints from my guy Bozeman or Mr. Anderson. And so I'm here to show you today how to record on Screencast-o-matic. So the cool thing about Screencast-o-matic is number one, you could record your presentation for your APES project with yourself in the corner like Mr. Anderson does. I probably would not do this normally on my own, but I'm just trying to show you guys. You can also record this without having yourself in the picture, which I have a feeling a lot of you guys are going to do. But there's a lot of different options with this platform, which is actually really cool. So what you're going to start off by doing is you would go to Screencast-o-matic, and you can see the link up here. Once you sign in, it's easiest if you just use your Google account, and you can go to My Videos, and then you will be downloading and installing a screen recording app. So once you do that, it's going to ask you to relaunch it again. So if you think it didn't work the first time, it did. You just still have to reopen it. Once you do that, you're going to hit Start Recorder, and I can't show you because it's on my screen, but you will have a box like this. And so you can set the box to be whatever size you want. And so right now I'm moving it around just to show you that you can decide what exactly is being seen on your screen. So once you start that, you can pull up your presentation like you normally would, and you can get it going. So you could run your presentation like you normally would, except now you can show everything going on. You can even play a video.
In this video, we're going to talk about the difference between distance and displacement. If this
Which is really cool. So it really is like you're giving a presentation to the class, but unfortunately, because of the time constraints that we have, we're not going to be able to do presentations because I am going on the Dude Ranch trip. So a lot of you guys are probably really happy about that, that you don't have to present to your class. So this is how we're going to be submitting it. So as you can see, you're still going to keep going through and you're going to present your presentation. So again, you could be in it, you could just be the voice behind it, and that's totally fine, but you're still able to manipulate your computer screen the way you normally would, which is really cool. I don't know that this is able to be done on iPads or tablets. That's something I'll have to look into more, but this is a really cool way to present your project. So here is the project itself. So as you can see, did I lose it on the screen? I don't think I did. But so this is your National Parks project. We're going to go over it in class together. But I just wanted to show you how you can use the platform because I was starting to write down how to use it, and I was like, the best way to show it is actually to record a video with it, I thought. So I hope that this was helpful. If you look back, can you fill in the steps for how to undergo making a Screencast-o-matic? If so, let me go through it for you. You're going to go to screencast-o-matic.com. You're going to log in and create an account using your school email account. You're going to go to My Videos and start the recorder. And the cool thing is, once it's done, it'll ask if it wants you to upload it to YouTube, which I am going to have you do so you can share it with me and I can watch it to my heart's content so I can grade it. All right, so I hope this was helpful. You're taking your APES test right now, and I hope it's going really well. I'm really nervous, so obviously I'm finding anything to do to make up for the time, but I will see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.